In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a GPX file from Garmin Connect. Start by searching for Garmin Connect in your browser and opening the official site. Sign in with your Garmin email and password. Complete the two-factor authentication by entering the security code sent to your device. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Activities in the left sidebar. Open all activities and scroll to find the activity you want to export. In this case, a cycling ride. Click the gear icon in the top right, then select Export to GPX from the drop-down menu. Safari will show a download permission dialog asking if you want to allow downloads from Garmin Connect. Click Allow, and your GPX file will start downloading immediately.